Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Pretty cool little skew of a text. So what we're going to do, we're going to write out a text. I'm just going to go and use Corel Draw. And I'm going to make it bigger by taking the two-sided arrow. I'm going to hit P. Whoop. You've got to click off that and hit P. Then I'm going to make it a thicker font. I'm going to make it Arial black. And I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to left click, right click. I'm going to take the 2-point line, start moving it, hold down the control button, get a perpendicular line, and hit P to put it in the center of the page. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this text, it's less than 3 inches, so I'm going to set my nudge factor on 4. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to fill this bottom part in. And you'll see here in the W, takes 2 of them. Now what I want to do is I want to take this and group it together. Go to Object, Group, and Group. Now I'm going to take the black, or make it a just different color. Let's use blue. And I'm going to nudge these up. And then what we want to do is group them together. And the W is going to do the same thing. So we're going to select all that dark blue and go Control G to group it. Now, you could skew this manually. But how do you know how far you went? So if you want it kind of symmetrical or even, go to Windows, Dockers, and Transform or Transformation, depending on your version. We're going to grab this, and with this object origin clicked in the middle, we're going to go -20 and skew it. Now we're going to click on this one. We're going to put it at the top of the skew, and we're going to go 20 degrees. Just the opposite, because we're going the opposite direction. And there you have it. Now what I want to do is I want to take my line out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and fill this in with black. And I'm going to go to Object, Order, Back of Page. And I'm going to nudge it up. And there's the effect you get. Now there's a lot you could do with that afterwards. You could click and you know you've got the turquoise. So you could right click and put a line around it. You could see you grab the blue and you could put a blue line around it. Or you could take away the lines and use the interactive fill tool. So if we grab the turquoise, go to the interactive fill tool and just swipe upwardly, kind of get it perpendicular. Now we're going to put a dark blue there and see what it did. And you can adjust your handle and that'll adjust your throw, but you need to be kind of perpendicular. So it'll be the same. Now we're going to grab the blue, go the other way, and we're going to put the turquoise, and any color will work. Now let's move it up so it's more into the, need to get that handle right on the money. Let's move that blue up. Yeah, there we go. And that looks pretty good. Now you can see the line between them. I don't really know there's anything we can do for that. Yeah, there is something we could do. Let's set our nudge factor on 0.001 and grab the blue, and let's zoom in here, see if this doesn't help. You can't really see the line when you're zoomed in, but if you'll just nudge it down a couple of times, the line should readily go away. And then if you put a yellow box around it, go up to Object, Order, Back of Page, it kind of makes it stand out a little bit. Anyway, kind of a cool little text effect. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.